My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site bestrecgetpreview.com. Bestrecgetpreview.com is a new dangerous site. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site basically tries to make you click on the allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But if you mistakenly click on allow, your browser may be hijacked and contaminated with multiple and really intrusive advertisements. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to get your browser urgently fixed. To get it fixed, access the menu, Settings, select Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications, and now remove the junk sites if you detect them on the list, carefully one by one. Make sure you get rid of these junk sites. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.